use what is being taught in the classrooms, and they are making their presence felt. I was told that yesterday I could not come because suddenly there was a meeting, important meeting which I had to attend to. But the new park, I have been to the park and there is a viewpoint. So our aim is that we will take it forward, as Sir has just told me that DPR should be prepared. We'll look at it very seriously, and given the rationales of this area, the community at large, if they are happy with our work, we would very heartily like to work with it and prepare a DPR, try to get the fundings and make this place a source of livelihood for the people of this area. I hope, sir, we can actually take it forward, and so we'll have to sit with the department, sit with the people of this village and see what are their needs and prepare a document out of it. I'm sure in the future we'll have many more programs where we can highlight our progress and our dedication to the society. I hope that's the only way that academics or education will be relevant. If we are of use to you and we are making our presence felt. And Women's College has been trying that in a small way, but I think with our students have helped us make it bigger. With these few words, I welcome all the members to this program.